Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. Yes, Happy Independence Day, Nigeria, the giant of Africa. Yes, Happy Independence Day, though you still live in bondage. Yes, Happy Independence Day, though you are still dealing with bad governance, insecurity, bad healthcare system, bad education systems, bad roads, bribery, corruption, unemployment, and many more bads. I still believe you will get to celebrate a true Independence Day someday in your fatherland. Freedom is not free. Many men of goodwill must pay with their sweat and blood to achieve freedom for their people. Freedom is not free. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Nigerian independence began on October 1, 1960. It has only been 63 years. America took 200 years to arrive at the true independence they enjoy today, and so did many other nations around the globe. Nigerian true independence started its journey of 1,000 miles by taking the first step on October 1, 1960. Freedom is not free, for the road to true freedom is rough and full of ups and downs, both outside and within the shores of any country yearning for a complete independence. Nigeria still has many obstacles to overcome before it can achieve true independence. In the words of Dr. Martin Luther King, I have a dream that one day every valley shall be exalted, every hill and mountain shall be made low, the rough places will be made plain, and the crooked places will be made straight, and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. Dr. MLK. Freedom is not free. Many more men of goodwill will still pay with their sweat and blood to achieve the true freedom we, as Nigerians, sought. Freedom is not free. Many may not live long enough to witness true independence in Nigeria. But they will be heroes for the future generations of Nigerian children, who will be alive to enjoy true independence in their fatherland. Yes, someday, our journey of 1,000 miles shall end, and we shall get to our destination, where true independence dwells. Our true independence remains on the horizon. Someday, we shall all be free from the shackles of oppression. So, let us continue to celebrate Nigerian Independence Day. October 1, 1960, was just our first step towards true independence. Therefore, let us continue to celebrate our independence. Let us keep hope alive as we continue our journey of 1,000 miles toward true independence. Happy Independence Day, fellow Nigerians.